So ang lawak ng parking area nyo. So ito yung Buyo. Kung nakakita kayo ng palabas na Jomong, ito yung Buyo or Big G Kingdom. Jomong. So yun yung pinaka-entrance ng tapos Big G Dynasty. Wow. So ang tagal na no, na-preserve pa nila ng ganong kahabang panahon. So 14th century pa to nag-exist. So ito yung mga bandila nila dati oh. Bandila ng yellow flag. So maya papasok tayo sa loob. Pakita natin sa inyo guys kung ano nasa loob. Yung nakaraan kong video is about sa Joseon Dynasty yung pinuntahan namin. So ngayon Big G na naman, Big G Dynasty. Tapos next kong video guys, papakita nyo sa yung Sheila Dynasty. So lahat yan ay nasa Jomong na palabas. Wow, ang ganda. So ayan guys oh. Yan yung ilalim. Biruin mo, 1,000 years na nakalumaba. Dumaan. Ang ganda ng ano, design.
The Baekje dynasty was one of the three kingdoms of Korea, alongside Goguryeo and Silla, and it played a significant role in the history of Korea. Here are some intriguing trivia points about Baekje. 1. Founding. Baekje was founded in 18 BCE by Onjo, the son of the Goguryeo founder, Go Ainong. It initially occupied the southwestern part of the Korean peninsula. 2. Cultural exchange. Baekje was known for its cultural achievements and played a crucial role in the transmission of Buddhism and Chinese culture to Japan. It had strong diplomatic and trade relations with Japan, which influenced Japanese culture significantly. 3. Capital. The capital of Baekje was initially in Ryizong, modern-day Seoul, but it later moved to Gongju and then to Buyo, which served as the last capital before Baekje's fall. 4. Art and architecture. Baekje is renowned for its distinct art and architectural styles. The Baekje historic areas, including the ruins of its capital, are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, showcasing significant archaeological remains and ancient structures. 5. Fall of Baekje. The kingdom fell in 660 CE to a combined force of Silla and Tang China. This marked a significant shift in power dynamics on the Korean peninsula and led to the eventual unification of Korea under Silla. 6. Language. The Baekje people spoke a language that is thought to be related to the Korean language, but much of it remains unrecorded. The kingdom used Chinese characters in official documents. 7. Legacy. Baekje's influence can still be seen in modern South Korea, particularly in the cultural and historical elements that trace back to this period. Its contributions to Korean history are celebrated, especially in the fields of art, architecture, and Buddhism. Baekje's history reflects a rich cultural and political tapestry that has had a lasting impact on Korean identity.
Ang ganda. Ganito kaganda dito guys. Oh. Imagine 1,000 years tapos yung kahoy na ginamit nila sa pag-construct ng building buo pa. So pagkaalam ko nag-exist tong Big G Dynasty. 14th century pa yata to eh. Kakaiba yung ano dito guys. Yan. So ito yung pinaka Hall of Justice siguro. Ano to? Yan. Gawa lahat sa kahoy yan. Grabe no. 1,000 years na ang buo pa yung kahoy no.
Years na.
Sobra 3,000 years. O 2,000 years. Gaganda. Yung nakaupo dyan yung ano, emperor. Ito yung upuan ng emperador. Dyan si General Jumong nakaupo. So ayan. So punta tayo sa iba. Ha? Ano lang yan? Display lang yan. Yan yung uri ng kasuotan siguro nila. Yung
Logo nila yan.
Mm.
Pero tingin ko dito luma. Kailan na lang ulit yan?
Gawa na lang yan, replika.
Replica na lang.
Pero itong building, gawa talaga to. Dati pa to.
Nakikita mo sa kahoy, yun.
Tayo dito tayo. Ikutin natin to para sayang lang yung sa ano. Dito si
Bago naman may kaaway niyang buyo.
Lady Yuwa.
May kaaway siya itong lugar na to.
Temple to ni Lady Yuwa eh. Yung asawa ni Himuso. Mama ni Jumong.
Hindi sila makay pero may karama niya.
Rico. So ito yung mga ano nila, so, panulat. Ito yung papel na ginagamit noong unang panahon. Yan o. Gawa sa kawayan. Ang galing ng
Ito, ano, tawag dito?
mga
Ayun yung pinapadalang sulat nila. Oh.
yan o.
Kawayan lang, galing.
Walang galing naman.
Kaya pa nang dinuskol sa nabubuo. Pero posible dito ang kamo to. Ayun.
Dito tayo. Hanapin natin yung mayaman nga tong ano. Nung Big G. Mas mayaman pa to sa ano no. Ano nga yung dati pinuntahan natin? Yung sa Hime, ano ngayon? Anong dynasty yun?
Joseon.
Joseon. Mas mayaman pa siya sa Joseon.
Joseon na kasi yan eh.
Oo.
Tinatag ni Jumong yung bagong Joseon. Bagong Joseon.
Mas mayaman pa siya sa Joseon dynasty. Ito yung symbol ng pagiging ano, mayay.
Dati malawak, maraming
Mayaman.
sakop.
Yan guys, oh.
Sakop na rin yung buyo. Naglawat ako taklak.
Yan para guys, ito yung buyo. So, ayan. Gaano katibay. Punta ka tayo dito. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda dito guys. Ito yung pinaka makikita ko lang dati, pinapanood ko lang to sa mga palabas eh. Pero ito yung reality. Yung totoong palasyo talaga ba. Ang ganda nga naman. Gawa lahat sa kahoy pero napakaganda. See? Yan o. Kita mo yan. Biruin mo 1,000 years nang dumaan. Buhay pa rin yung templo nila. So ito yung karya ni Jumong. So makikita po sa palabas na Jumong ito. Pwede kaya pasukin. Ang ganda oh. Grabe yung art na ginawa nila dito. Oh. Ito yung si Buddha. libingan ng mga traditional Korean. So ayan, silipin lang natin. Yan, dyan din. Dyan ilalagay yung patay na katawan. So marami yan dyan, you know. Ito yung kanilang traditional cemetery. Village ng unang panahon. Yan, gawa lang siya sa Tagusan to. Ang lawak nito doon. So picture lang tayo ng konti. Yan, dami kasing tao.
Here's more about the Baekje dynasty. 8. Military power. Baekje was known for its powerful navy, which helped it maintain control over trade routes and conduct military campaigns against rival states. The kingdom was involved in various conflicts with Goguryeo and Silla, showcasing its military prowess. 9. Religious influence. Buddhism flourished in Baekje, especially after it was introduced in the 4th century. The kingdom established several temples and monasteries, contributing to the spread of Buddhist culture throughout Korea and into Japan. 10. Diplomatic relations. Baekje had active diplomatic relations with neighboring states, including China and Japan. It sent envoys to the Japanese court, which led to the development of strong cultural ties. The Baekje people played a pivotal role in introducing advanced technologies and cultural practices to Japan. 11. Artistic achievements. The Baekje style of pottery, sculpture, and mural painting is characterized by elegance and sophistication. The kingdom is particularly famous for its gilt bronze Buddhist statues, which are considered masterpieces of Korean art. 12. Historical records. Much of what is known about Baekje comes from historical texts like the Samguk Sagi, Chronicles of the Three Kingdoms, and the Samguk Yusa, Memorabilia of the Three Kingdoms, which provide insights into its rulers, culture, and events. 13. Rulers. Baekje had notable kings, such as King Genchogo R. 346–375, who expanded the kingdom's territory and influence, and King Munyang R. 501–523, who further promoted Buddhism and cultural exchange. 14. Architecture. The architectural style of Baekje is distinguished by its use of wood and stone. Structures like the Nungsanri ancient tombs and the ruins of the Baekje historic areas exemplify their unique architectural techniques. 15. Cultural festivals. Modern South Korea celebrates the legacy of Baekje through various cultural festivals, including the Baekje Cultural Festival, which showcases traditional music, dance, and reenactments of historical events. 16. Influence on language. The Baekje dialect and its interactions with other languages have contributed to the development of the Korean language, particularly in the southwestern regions of Korea. 17. Famous figures. The Baekje dynasty produced several influential figures, including scholars and artists, who made significant contributions to Korean culture and governance. The Baekje dynasty's rich history and contributions have left an enduring legacy in Korean culture, art, and religion, making it a vital part of Korea's historical narrative. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the fascinating history of the Baekje dynasty. Your interest and engagement have made exploring this remarkable period in Korean history even more rewarding. We hope you gained valuable insights into Baekje's rich culture, innovations, and its lasting impact on the region. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more historical explorations with you in the future. Warm regards, Dark Hunter.